Christmas is in the corner. So, happy Christmas in advance. Hello. Good morning, you all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, thank you all for everything. Thank you for coming to my live yesterday. Thank you for tuning in to my live yesterday night. I'm grateful. How are you all doing? I believe you're all fine, you're all good, you are all amazing. I know that. Thank you so much, okay? Yeah, today, as usual, I am in the kitchen and I decided to take you along. But before then, let me show you something. Guess what I'm gonna show you? Guess what? Alright, let's go there. Christmas is in the corner. Happy Christmas in advance. Yeah, we set up our Christmas tree already. It's too early. I was like, you never reach, and I don't do it. So, happy Christmas in advance. So, let's go back to the kitchen, all right? Nothing too much, just me and myself. Rent my scarf. When I go young me for blessing hand this winter, I know they used to. It's not too cold, but for me, I feel like wearing something, cover myself, cover my hair. As I'm telling you, look at them. Can you see my leg? You know what I'm showing you, that is stocking. I've already put on my stocking. That's how I feel like wearing. Because me and cold, we are not friends though. I love it. I love cold weather, but when it's making me like this. Anyway, guys, so enough. I don't to talk, right? So let's start for today business, right? So I'll start by showing you, this is my tea. I'm just warming my tea. I'm warming my tea. I'm warming because I made it yesterday. I prepared it yesterday. Let me show you. This is my tea. I prepared it yesterday, so I'm warming it now. I'm hotting it anyhow. I wanted to take it, so I want it to hot. So I make with some ginger, bay leaf, grapes, and there's one. I remember one of my video. I show you that particular. They call it jajab in my language. It's good for stomach. So that's my tea, right? And this is my honey. I'm going to use honey on it. Yeah. And this pot is meat. Okay. I boil meat for because later in the day I'm going to make okra soup. I'm not sure I'm going to take you along. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just telling you what I'm going to do today. So I'll be making okra soup Nigerian way later in the day. It's going to be for dinner. Alright. So this is the meat I'm going to use for. Yeah. I wish I'll be able to take you along. And I'm going to make lemonade, which is lemon juice. We call it lemonade or lemonada. Okay. I've already cut them and soak it with sugar. Okay, this is the bottle I'm going to use for this. For that, I'm going to get like 4 bottles from this lemon juice I'm going to make. So this is the 4 bottles. Once again, I have some chicken here. Later in the day, also I'm going to boil it for tomorrow. Also, this is for tomorrow. This is for today, and this is for tomorrow because tomorrow we are having dinner. What am I talking? Tomorrow we are having lunch. Okay, we are having visitor for lunch. Okay, and also I'm going to boil egg also for tomorrow. I'm going to make curry sauce. Okay, it's curry sauce that we are going to make tomorrow with the chicken I show you. And also I'm going to prep potato also that I'm going to arrange everything today, prepare everything today and keep for tomorrow so that it will be easier for us to cook tomorrow. All right, yeah. If I can't also, I'm going, after prepping the tomato and boil and the egg, I'm going to show you the egg just for boil, not for prep, only the tomato, only the potato. All right, but we don't have enough egg. I'm going to bring more egg. I'm going to get more egg. Like I'm going to go to the shop and bring more egg. Okay, so we can be able to have the amount that we want. All right, so I'm going to start. I think I'll be drinking my tea while squeezing the lemon. All right, yeah, just to show you or tell you what I'm about to do today, what I'm up to today. All right, so that's it. Oh, also onions. I'm going to prep onions also for the curry sauce. Yeah. Let me make my tea. It's very hot. I'm going to add some water because it's too strong. It's too strong here. So let me add some water. I'm adding water because it's too strong. Understand? I need to add water on it. Yeah. And even in the kettle, I will add water. Add some honey. You can also drink without honey, but I just want to change the taste. The taste is very nice. So I don't want to squeeze myself my face while drinking. So that's why I'm adding the honey to sweeten the mouth a little bit. Even upon say I had upon so I don't know. Upon say I add the honey, the mouth is still not yummy. But it's better. Oh, cheers! Come and take some. So I need some groves. I'm going to double my groves because if I use one, you know the lemon is hard to squeeze. If I use one, it will it will quickly break the grove. So I have to double it. Yeah, I double my groves. This time around we are having purple groves. Our blue color is finished. The blue one is finished. But this one is nice. I like it. It's a little bit tight. Okay. So this way, I will be doing the juice very comfortable without feeling anything in my hand, like without the water reaching my hand. Okay. So I need to bring everything that I'm going to be used for this out, which is funnel. I need funnel, and I need a little shifter, and I also need this. That's all. And I need this for the rubbish. I'm going to, after everything, the rubbish will be here. Okay. So let's get started. Take the empty here. Okay, before then, you know what? Before then, let me put this egg. But it's not enough. I need to bring more, right? Yeah. Let me wait. I'm thinking, should we go down now and bring egg? Anyway, we still have this for tomorrow, so I will do it later, like I said earlier. So, want to go? We start by squeezing this. Because of time, like I said, I'll be drinking my tea while making them. Let me just give you a little, like I'm used to this, okay? Once in a, like sometimes I'm used to it, not even sometimes, okay? You know the reason, you know why? Because back in Nigeria, I work in a place where you don't have time to sit and eat, okay? But then I was still strong, no be now again, or now I don't hold, right? No strength again. That time, oh my goodness, I work with this beautiful Lolo, okay? Our mommy from Mbise, which is in Owerri, I think in Owerri, Mbise in Owerri side, right? She's so sweet, she's so, so she was so awesome. I worked with her. She owned a restaurant, okay, not just one place. I think it was two places. Yeah, two places. So the other restaurant, the first place, which is behind our house where we were living. My goodness, this woman used to have a customer. Because the reason is because she can cook. She knows how to cook very well. Until she taught our workers how to cook. Most of our workers how to cook. Goodness Lord. So because of that, hey. The story, because of this reason, I bring this story. You cannot sit and eat. You know, when you're working, you feel hungry, like, right? You want to eat, and you know there is a lot of work, and how, you have no choice than to stand. Put your soul, bring your soul, just make sure you eat fast. Oh my goodness, it was crazy. It was crazy that I can't forget that. It was fun and also at the same time crazy, at the same time very, very tired, like very stressful. Like you can, after everything, after you finish everything for the day, when we go back home, it will take only the grace of God for you to enter bathroom and take your shower. The reason is because you cannot stand again. Your leg will be as if it's going to pull out. But you know what? This God is good. God is good. Like as I'm telling you, we close late, like around 11 to 12. That is when we'll go back to the house. But the reason is because after selling everything, we have to prepare another stuff against tomorrow. Like she will go market in 12 different, come back, we'll prepare all those, we'll wash all the meat, we'll boil all the meat, cow leg, cow tail, cow head, goat head, all these things. She used to cook a lot. We will make stew that night, not complete stew, like we'll start the stew that night so that in the morning it will be easier to done fast, right? So we'll make the sauce in the night, in the evening, then in the morning it will be very easier for us to, like quick to done, because people will early come to eat. Like it was, so that was the reason why that was what made us to close that late, which is 11, after 11 to 12, sometimes to 11. Yeah. So that was it though. So this thing that bring this story, that I'm used to it somehow, and still I can still manage it. Though old age don't reach it. I know I'm not too strong like that. Oh my God! If you eat mommy food, you cannot go back. You'll be coming every day. Yeah, she was great. She can cook very well. But remember, in our language, they normally say that means before your soup or your food tastes good. That means as in money don't go. Before your food tastes good. I know some people can still use a lot of money to buy ingredients, food stuff, something to cook, but the soup will still not come out good. But it depends, okay? Yeah, depend. I mean, the person doesn't know how to cook. That's the only reason. But if somebody that knows how to cook, you buy you buy things like, enough things that will make the soup yummy, okay? Hope you understand my explanation. I'll be making this off camera. Okay? Yeah, I'll talk to you later. The video is already long. I just want to show you what I'm up to today, what I'm doing. Thank you so much, my people. All right, so that's it. They have many ways to make their lemon juice. So this is our own way in this our beautiful family. This is our own way. Okay, so depend how you make yours. For me personally, if I want to make my own lemon juice, I make sure I add orange. It's very nice with orange and lemon juice together. But for me, without sugar, I don't add sugar. Yeah. So that's it. So bye bye for now, and I will see you. Like I will see you, okay? Yeah, I will show you if I can't how I finish when I finish everything. So this is my lemon juice. It's finally squeezed, and I have full bowl. So this is how I taste it. Nice. So it's ready. You got for water, and this little babies. Yeah, our lemon juice is ready. Banana. So I'm going to wash everything. So we start with the okra soup. Okay, we're using frozen okra. I like to wash my frozen okra. Any frozen like okra, okay? Try to wash frozen okra. You will see there is dirty on it. It's not well clean, so you need to wash it again. I want to show you the water. I wish you can see it well. Can you see the dirty? Yeah, there is dirty on it. It's not well clean, okay? Especially this okra. I like to wash it back. And this is the egg, boiling them now. Yeah, so finally wash. I'm going to blend it, okay? We love blending. That's how we love it, okay? Blending one. I'm going to blend with the pepper. And I have extra pepper. This one I will just drop it like this inside the soup in case this is not enough, okay? So it is ready, as you can see. The soup is ready, Nigerian way. This is how we make Nigerian way here. It's like sauce, guys. So use it to eat rice, use it to eat yam, use it to eat potato, boil potato, boil yam, boil rice. It is so super yummy. All right, now, so that's it for the soup. So we are still on the day, we are still in the kitchen. So I'm going to peel the onions, like I said earlier, and the potato, okay? Peel everything and prep them, then we keep for tomorrow. Yeah. So that's it. I'm finally done. Okay, I'm going to cover everything. Okay, till tomorrow by God's grace. Yeah, that's the last thing to do for now. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Do not forget to like, share, and comment. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much. Bye for now.